Today I'm going to show you how to replace the water inlet valve for a Maytag / Whirlpool refrigerator. And this is my model number MFI2269VEM6. And the part that I'm replacing is this little valve here. This valve here is found at the side of the refrigerator. Let me show you. Here, right here. Never in a million years would I see this. This is where it replaces it. This is the part. This is the part here, and that's the part number W10334458. So that's how you replace this part. And it's right here in the top corner of the refrigerator. That's the video. It should be easy enough to replace. So first of all, you have to unplug it, the refrigerator, and we're going to turn the water off. And then we're going to replace the part. Okay. So to remove this, I believe I have to just push down against this blue part, then push down against this blue part, and it would release the thing. So I'm just going to push down toward the valve, and there it goes. It comes right off. Let me just push down again. It's pressure. Oops. There, that's part one. Next I have to push down against, I'm using the wrench to use instead of my fingers to push against it downward. So let's see if we can get that to, oh, just slid right off. All right, now we'll have to put the thing back on. Turn it back. I just believe I have to seat it. I have to push down, I guess, and there it goes. Now I'm just gonna push down my fingers on the blue valve here and seat it inside. Let me just use my wrench to collapse down against this. There it goes. I believe I seated it now. I think that's the complete, that's as far as it'll go. So that's how we replaced it. Now we'll just try it.